Rosanne, Araneta for those who know me, but I'm usually called Roxy. Anyway, I'm doing this video this morning for the kids. I know you kids are suddenly not in school and maybe you're still wondering why. So I have a few answers for you. I got inspired to do this video because a certain lady, a very strong lady, a prime minister from Norway, her name is Erna Solberg, decided that she was going to answer questions from kids, and I figured you guys also need answers, right? So here they are. Why can't we go out? Well, there is a concern right now everywhere in the world about germs that we cannot see. These germs are actually deadly, so let's call them virus. Okay, the COVID virus is something we cannot see, and yet it can be anywhere, and if we inhale it or get it into our system by dirty fingers, and you touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth, you lick your hand, or you eat dirty food, or you inhale dirty air, then you guys will also get the virus, and we don't want this. The only way we can help each other right now is to stay home, because if we stay home for a long period of time, the government wants us to stay at home for a month. Okay, if we stay home for a long period of time, the virus that's outside in the air has nothing to hold on to, then it will not survive. But if we go outside and they latch onto us, then they live. We don't want this. So we're trying to stay home so that Lolo and Lola, our grandparents, will be safe, because they're not as strong as us. Okay, their bodies need a lot of vitamins and a lot of food and drinks and to stay healthy. And the virus seems to like our grandparents more than they like us. But see, we do not know if we're carrying around the virus. So if you're going to go out, we need to shower right away, and the shoes that we use, we leave them at the door. Okay? Excuse me. Next, can I have a birthday party? Not right now, because that would mean you would invite your friends and their parents over, and there's a rule right now. It's called social distancing. It means you have to stay apart from each other by about 3 feet or 1 meter. That way, even if they sneeze, the virus or the germs in the air will not land on you. See, so if there's a party, that means everybody's in the same room, and there's more chances of them coughing on you. We don't want that. And there's also a chance that you may be giving them virus. We don't know, see, because the virus is not something we can see. That's so tiny. You need a microscope, a special contraption with very strong mirrors and lenses, so you can see tiny little things. Okay, what else? So what can we do right now to help? We, apart from staying home, we'll try to find ways to keep ourselves busy. So we will find books to read. We can do that. We can play with our toys, but remember to pack away. We can watch movies. Yes, we can play with our apps or our games or our gadgets, but please not so long, because it will hurt our eyes. Yeah, and not only your eyes, but it will make you not want to spend time with friends. It will not make you spend time practicing how to speak and talk to people nicely, and it will really give you headaches, and it will not actually help you grow better, promise. So keep the gadgets to very minimum. I also suggest you eat good food right now, drink lots of water, and make sure you guys got a lot of exercise at home. So you can dance, you can do sports, you can, I'm sure you can find a lot of things to do. You can ask mommy, daddy, brother, sister, yaya, lola, if they're at home, to join in the fun, because it's possible. Okay, what else? I'm going to bring a list of questions. Let me see if I've read them all or I've tackled them all. Now, can I go to the drive-through? Right now, there are places that are open. Okay, like banks, restaurants that you can pick up food from, and hospitals. And people who are allowed on the streets only are soldiers, doctors, bankers, and people who work at the grocery, because we guys, all of us, we need food. And aside from them, nobody else can go out. So I'd rather, or I suggest, you just call one of the delivery places, fast food joints that mom and dad and you love, and ask them to deliver the food to you. So instead of driving through, have your food delivered. Okay, what else? So last, what can I do to help? Stay home, help mom and dad. Try not to keep asking so many questions at this time, okay? Because mom and dad are actually very, very stressed right now. They have to work from home, meaning they can't go to the office also. And yet, while they're at home, they have important things to do, okay? Remember, we still have to earn money so that we have food and toys and electricity and gasoline and internet. Okay, so try to help mom and dad by helping yourselves. And remember this, when we wash our hands, we put soap on our hands, we rub. We can sing any song we like, but it has to be not a short song, a long song, like a happy birthday song. You clean your palms, here in between the fingers, clean your thumbs, you clean the top of your hands, you clean your wrists, okay? You clean your nails, so you clean this way and you clean this way. What else? You can sing the happy birthday song, Let It Go, what Moana sing, what Rapunzel sings. Choose your song, but it has to be some kind of a long song. It cannot be, I'm done, mom, okay? Wash every time. And try not to touch parts of your face if you can, because these parts, okay, find a way to go inside your body, and the germs that we don't see, they can go in there. So let's help each other out by staying home, by praying, okay, by staying happy, and by staying healthy. So exercise and dance and move around. Don't just lie down and watch TV, okay? Help each other by helping ourselves. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. And we will finish this sooner than later, because if we guys stay put right now, then we can end the quarantine, or what mom and dad and the government are calling the enhanced community quarantine, which means we all stay home, yeah? It will last 30 days. And if we follow the rules and the instructions, it will end in 30 days. But if we keep, sneaking out or going out for so many reasons that really are not needed, then we risk, getting more people sick, or we are not making the virus die on its own, because it's finding people to hold on to, or to latch on to. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, wash all the time, take a bath. I take a bath twice a day, okay, because we really don't want the virus to go in our bodies. Okay, eat healthy food and study, because you can. I know you can. So this is Teacher Roxy, Teacher Rosanne, wanting all of you to stay safe, keep productive, be inspirational. Why don't you make a video and show me? Or if you have other questions, text me, let me know, and I'll answer in another video. Okay? So I hope this finds you well, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!